So I've talked about this stock 2 weeks back, and since then it has already up by 20%. But this is not the thing which we are going to discuss over here. But definitely, I would suggest you to check out my previous videos along with this video. Now, what we are going to discuss here, we are going to discuss about the trajectory or the target that we are looking for in this particular stock on the long term. So, hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video, we are going to discuss about the long-term chart of Guardian Health Sciences. Let me tell you that we have very limited data for this particular stock, so we are not going to go beyond the data. So there is no way we are doing imaginable forecasting. Okay, so our forecasting or the trend analysis is limited as per the data. Now let's go to the line chart for a time being. So what you can see here, specifically 2 or 3 things, let me tell you. So this is one, and you have this one as well, and probably this one. So let's get back to the candlestick. Now what we'll see here, so this was the resistance that the stock has recently crossed at 58 cents. Then you have 34 cents and you have 16 cents on the downside. Now I would say 58 cents will be a decent stop. So if the stock falls below 58 cents, one should be very skeptical about the trade and the trend as well. Okay, now what you need to do here, you gonna specifically look at 2 levels. Okay, you have your first level at, here we have 84 cents, then you'll have 98 cents. Okay, those who are a bit skeptical or risk averse, then they can use 98 cents or $1. If the stock crossed $1, then there will be a big rise, and if somebody can take their position with a stop loss at 58 cents, it's fine. Okay, so these will be your 2 targets. But what we are looking at here, that if the stock sustain above 98 cents or $1, then we have a target which will lead us to, or in between, 2.24, and probably our big target will be at 3.15. So these are the 2 or 3 targets that we are specifically looking at in this particular stock over the next couple of weeks as well as couple of months. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.